Hello viewers, I am Dr. Vinitha. Today we are going to discuss about safety of travel in pregnancy. Lots of pregnant women will come and ask this question, whether it is safe to travel by bus, by car, by two-wheeler, train, air. So I'm just going to tell a brief note on each one of these. Travel usually is suggested to be avoided in pregnancy, but it is unavoidable these days in present generation. Most pregnant women will have views that I'm using a two-wheeler, whether I can go. But for short distances, usually if the pregnancy is going normally without complications, it is reasonably safe for a travel. But if the pregnancy is not going smoothly, we usually advise if there is bleeding or pain, we will say try to avoid travel in that time. And further scans and advice will be given accordingly. But for trains, it's usually safe, there is no bumps or anything, and it's a smooth journey. So if you have to travel, take trains rather than two-wheelers. And aircraft travel is also another thing. Usually these days, the pressurized aircrafts are reasonably very safe for travel at any time during pregnancy. But later on, in the late pregnancy, after you cross the 37 weeks, it is usually advised to be avoided. And international travels, long haul travels, means any flight journey more than 4 weeks are advised to be avoided after 34 weeks. The other main worries for most women include safety of this travel. When you are using a two-wheeler, usually we have to take care when there is large bumps that will put pressure on the abdomen, and that is our main worry. But if it's on a smooth road and not a very bumpy road, then it's usually safer. The pressure on the abdomen or the tummy is really far less, and it's almost like walking or jogging, that's all. And if you take car travel, the main thing is a seat belt advice. Most people won't feel comfortable wearing seat belts, and this is a very important thing for noting. You still have to continue to be safe. As much as the care that you take for the baby, you have to take care of yourself. So seat belts are compulsory and must, and wearing a seat belt, it might be uncomfortable when it sits on the tummy, so it can be under the bump, and the top one can be between the breasts. So you still have to use the seat belts, and that's continue to be the safety thing. During driving, you have to take care that you are sitting straight and your posture is right. Otherwise, too much of bending and everything can cause problems with backache in pregnancy. And the foot pressure, as long as you are okay to do an emergency stop without discomfort, you are safe to travel during pregnancy. And after delivery, obviously, we will try and say that avoid driving for the first couple of weeks if it's a normal delivery, and if it's a cesarean section, we will say 6 weeks.